Good morning! I wake up with a smile. Today will be a wonderful day. I make my bed every morning because a clean room makes me happy. I brush my teeth to keep them clean, shiny, and healthy. A bath keeps me fresh and clean every day, and I love having so many bubbles to play with in here. I wear clean clothes because they make me feel fresh and confident.
Healthy food helps you grow strong.
Thank you, Mom. I love healthy breakfast. Water keeps my body healthy and full of energy. I check my school bag so I'm ready to learn.
Have a great day at school.
Thank you, Dad. I'll do my best. Good habits make me healthy, happy, and ready to learn. Have a wonderful day!